Welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to find your computer name on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to find your computer name on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu and type here Settings. Click on Settings. Click on the System. In right section you can see your PC name. This is the present your PC name. If you want to rename it, you can just rename it from here. Just click on the rename. Then type here whatever you want. And click on Next. And click on Next. You can see rename your PC. After your restart, your PC name will be changed to AndWin. Just tap on the restart now. That's it guys. So in this way you can find your computer name on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.